Hey guys, another great day on my gaming channel, Ultimate Workout. And today I got a fidget spinner. Yeah. Here it is spinning. Can't see it that well. Hold on. Let's get it up here. Here it is. Right here. There we go, it's spinning. So that's it. In a couple weeks, I'm gonna get a United States fidget spinner. So I'll make another video on that in a couple weeks. Whenever I do that, I will show you both of them in each hand spinning. Yeah. This is a red one. Got it in Scottsboro, Alabama at Ollie's. I mean, not. You could get them at Ollie's and at Victory. I ordered my United States one on online. This one I got at Victory. It's a gas station. That's my video. See you on the next video. Peace out.